is a unique state which carries a rich historical lineage. The history of Bihar dates back to the very dawn of human civilization. Mythological tales cites Sita as a princess daughter of King Janak of Videha. Ramayana circuit is traced on these footmarks. Bihar sprouted the first seeds of democracy in the world. Bihar has seen the birth of the prominent religions, Buddhism and Jainism. Prince Gautam attained enlightenment, became Buddha at Bodh Gaya. The hill of Giddhakut in Rajgir is perhaps the most important place related to the life of Buddha. Jainism traces its spiritual ideas and history through the succession of 24 Tirthankaras. Vardhaman Mahavira was born in Vaishali. Mahavir achieved nirvana in Pavapuri, which is a pilgrim site for Jains from across the world. Bodh Gaya, Vaishali, Lichwar, related to the both Buddhism and Jainism, sees large number of tourist footfall. Nanda dynasty, who ruled most of the northern part of the Indian subcontinent. Ancient sources credit them with amassing great wealth, which was probably a result of introduction of new currency and taxation system. Down the lanes of history, Chandragupta Maurya in ancient India expanded a kingdom based in Magad. Kumrar in Patna stands testimony to the great Mauryan Empire. Ashoka, the grandson of Chandragupta, built numerous stupas and pillars in his empire. The national symbol, the four-headed lion, which adorns Indian currency, was erected atop the Ashokan pillar. The Gupta Empire is considered as a golden age of India by historians. Many Hindu epics and literary sources such as Mahabharata and Ramayana was canonized during this period. Vishnupad temple in Gaya is visited by Hindus from across the globe for salvation of ancestors. Harmandir Sahib in Patna city is an important pilgrimage for Sikhs from around the globe. History has definitely been the foundation of major tourism activity in Bihar. Buddhist circuit is a trail which traces Buddha in Bihar. The Ramayana circuit sheds an interesting reflection on the ancient history and epic Ramayana and its connection with Bihar. Connection of Mahatma Gandhi with Bihar, popular as Gandhi Circuit. The development of the state is further reflected in its roads, bridges and better connectivity. Golghar on the banks of river Ganga is an attraction which catches a lot of attention. Introduction to Bihar would not be complete without the mention of its delectable cuisine. Chhath, Holi, Dussehra are also important occasions that bind the diaspora to congregate. In Bihar, one finds interesting painting styles like Madhubani, Manjusha, Sikhi and Tikuli art forms worldwide favorite. Bihar also has a well-preserved ecology, promoting eco-tourism. Kakolit waterfalls, Bhim Bandh in Munger, Ghora Katora in Rajgir, Valmiki Nagar Tiger Reserve, Gangetic Dolphin Sanctuary in Kehelgaon. To promote the tourism spirit and local sensibilities, Bihar Tourism Department takes active part in promoting about 36 fairs and festivals in the state. Bihar is a fascinating mix of tradition coupled with fast-paced development and ideal concoction for tourists.